we start with Sefer Shmiras Haloshon. Okay, this we are at the very end of the book, very close to that. So it says, topic today is positive commandments. It says in his introduction to Sefer Chofetz Chaim, the Chofetz Chaim enumerates 14 positive commandments one may violate when speaking or listening to Lashon Hara. The commandments most commonly transgressed are: remember what Hashem your God did to Miriam on the way when you were leaving Egypt. Right? That's one of the things that we must remember every day. Number 2, you shall love your fellow as yourself, as it says in Vayikra 19:18. Number 3, with righteousness shall you judge your fellow, Vayikra 19:15. So you have to give benefit of the doubt. In some cases you're not allowed to give benefit of the doubt. Number 4, you shall reprove your fellow, Vayikra 19:17, which includes the obligation to reprove one who is speaking Lashon Hara. So if somebody is doing something wrong, we have to tell him, right, to stop, or show him what exactly the person is doing wrong. Number 5, Hashem your God shall you fear. Okay, meaning that Hashem sees exactly what is going in a person's heart. So a person cannot say, no, that's not what I meant. I meant only good, but they misunderstand me. No, nobody misunderstood you. Hashem knows exactly what is going on in your heart. Number 6, distance yourself from a falsehood. Right. Number 7, you shall go in the ways of Hashem. The requirement to emulate the ways of Hashem. Okay. So, and it says the 7 remains commandments are found in Shmos. Okay, so they give the sources. Okay, we stop here.